dúró nígbè. Ọ̀nà wo ọ̀pẹ ni ẹgbẹ́ wọn ìwò wa. Ìyẹn mọ́mí náà lápá gbọ́dọ̀ tó ẹ̀mú nìyẹn wọn. Ìyẹn gbé nìyẹn tó sọ ẹ̀wò náà rí. Náà dá mẹ́rin nínú pé mi àbọ̀. Ọ̀nà àmà rẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ ẹ̀wúrọ̀. Ọ̀nà wo dẹ̀ ló gèbà. Náà sùpàlẹ̀ wò náà sọ́gbọ̀n. Náà àgbìyàn pa bẹ́. Náà gbàlẹ̀ wò náà súre. Náà wẹ̀ pìtẹ́ kí yẹn fẹ́. Ẹ ọkẹ́ wò dúró nígbè. Ọ̀nà wẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹsẹ̀ wòrò fún nu ẹ. Orí wọn gbàdọ̀ ọ̀nà ọ̀bù ẹ̀fẹ́. Azagidi náà làdíyàn. Àbí ìwà azagidi. Ọkẹ́ wáyé nàbí kí ó wà ó. Ẹ olú náà wọ̀ náà kún èmi. Ọ̀nà wa ma àrí ẹ̀yẹ̀dẹ̀lẹ́dẹ̀ yẹn rẹ̀. Àrà tó fèfé náà. Ẹ̀yin ni yàrá sùn ẹ́. Ara mi ò gègé. Ara mi ò gègé dòmẹ́ o. Azagidi. Ìdé ìnáwó kàlìkàn. Ìgbìgbì tìlìgbì. Ọ̀fíọ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ fẹ́. Apapa susu. Uya ne seze. Uroli gbe na yaye. Izu. Akwa kutan. Apapa. Ologbonu magbo. Ibreti ko na fi wolu. Efe ra ipakia. Ena ofe beni. Iya we le tete no si orule le yan. To le le aye te yan ri ayo. Ai na sederi o. Uroli gbona so atu en go. Ana akpeye oye no kwa. Ana we oruko no lawa. Ihe ba tu te unde. Ori ka se ba na se wa.
Yeah, good evening, guys.
Ikwe vani mi aba be kwe wolu. Ona ege ni ahia. Eni na se olu. Iya ye gare ha. Ina jawo ni amwe bole no mu ni wa. Iya ma sa ti mwe bole. Olo kunu ri ko ma kwe. Adere anwe ayo ya na ri. Aya na aka mi zu. Ai zu na wa me na wa lu. Oku ye ke ara la yin aire. Aya na we ke die.
Just to let you guys know, I was not supposed to come online today, but I'm going to come online because I want to personally thank my son, Community Igminigun, and as you understand, today I am going to be speaking mostly Edo language. For those that do not understand Belen language, please, I apologize. And I'm going to mix it up with a little bit of broken English. I want people to, I have a direct message to mostly Edo evil citizens, the evil ones. And not only that, everyone knows me. Whenever you call on me, I'm going to answer you. Just give me 1 second. So, as you can see right now, I'm sharing. I'm trying to share this video right now. Like as I was saying, I want to thank my lovely son, Community Igminigun. It's not easy. problem here. I don't have a good network. I barely even share. So please, Ambassador Bless, if you are there, go ahead and share this video. Don't worry, people to my get with that, they don't work there. Buhari is there killing you people. Obaseki is there. There's some making a difference. But you people don't have the audacity or the power to even speak against the evildoers. But the power you have is to practice on it. I am not even going to mention your name because you don't want mention at all. But I understand you are delusional and you are out of character and your brain is malfunctioning. But however, I am not going to let that determine how I am going to send my message out for people to hear my own side of the story. I want everyone, brothers and sisters, go ahead and share this video. Please, as I'm going to do mine, go ahead and do it. You know, I was not supposed to be out today, but I'm out. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, Lord. Okay, so it's like this network is really malfunctioning. So I'm going to go ahead and address and deliver this message to most especially the bad, evil Edo citizens, home and abroad. Both those ones that are home and those that are not at home. Most especially those that are in Europe, in Italy. The bad, evil Nigerians, most especially Edo citizens. Okay. Okay, brothers and sisters, good day. This is President of the Poor Citizen, Commander-in-Chief of the Defenseless and the Voiceless, the Tiger and the Lion combined, Mega Comrade, Officer Iranomigo Edegbe. I am out this evening. I am not out because I want to be out. I am not here to respond to anybody, but I'm here to send a message, a loud and clear message to this boy. I heard that he's regretting what he did. I was called. I want to say my own side of the story. I don't know this boy. I have never met him. I even sent them to search for his profile. I am an investigator. What I do, I conduct my investigation before I do anything. So when I send out people to conduct an investigation on him, we find out that he has 2 children. And he recently just got his Italian passport, recently. And his wife is going up and down from London. So, and you know, when a little boy, a child that is just growing up, I am the one that called everybody to social media. I was the one that was telling everybody, come on social media. Come with collective effort. We can be able to grab our destiny from the hands of our enemies, from the hands of our political cabals and political bad leaders. But little that I know that these people, this individual, the demons, I call them the demons, the Edo demons, Satans. Little that I know, they're going to come out. Instead of them to come out and join PFM or join our Mumu Don't Do movement, Charlie Boy, which I happens to like a lot, but they went on attack on the Mega Comrade, a man that have done nothing to them. I have not eaten their 1 penny from Edo State State House of Assembly or Senate or whatever, Edo governor or chairman or anything, or even councillor. I have not ate 1 penny, 1 naira. But this same Edo indigent, some evil Edo citizens, they are rational. I mean, their urge for money, their greed for money, rush them to make a rational, unthinkable judgment. They want to be fame. I went into, they want to have fame. There are 2 kinds of fame. People Freedom Movement will give you. When you come in a genuine way, we will make you famous. When you come in a way that contradicts PFM value, we will put you in Hall of Shame. And you will walk the walk of shame. So this is what I want to tell people. A few days ago, one of my members called me. He said, "Pa, please, I beg. This boy in Italy, please, Pa, leave him alone, leave him alone, leave him alone. Please." I said, "I don't know this boy. I don't even go to his page. I don't know him. So what did he say I did? But people tell me this is what he did. I have not even, the video, not even the last video I heard he did. I didn't watch it. Okay, you know what? This boy that is doing right here, you know, I already catch people. I remove 16. As soon as I get off from this online, if you see yourself here again, don't come here and go. Me. I have removed all of you. You can see now. It's only you now. Very soon I will catch you. If I want to catch you now, we do it right now while I'm online. Let me teach you that you are a fool. You have no sense at all. So the network is really bad. Please, I want you all to bear with me. This guy that just put a red hair there, his name is Kevin Iyobo. Kevin Iyobo is the one that just put red hair there. Thanks to my wife. Yesterday was the first day I allowed my wife to stay by where I am doing video. So when she heard me complaining about red hair, she said, "Honey, you don't know who did it?" I said, "Yeah, I tried to block him." He said, "No, this is how you do it." She bring every... Okay. So then she taught me how to do it. Right now, Iyobo, Kevin Iyobo was the one that put red hair a while ago. And you are there now. I am going to block you right now because this is my parlor. You cannot come to my parlor and be insulting me. You are angry. Who are you angry with? You are angry. Instead of you to be angry on my platform, go and be angry with the political leader. So therefore, look at you. I already got you. So therefore, Kevin Iyobo, you are out, banned. Watch, confirm. You are done. So who want to come here and constitute nuisance? Come here. This is not a better place. Or neither all these other places where you can do anyhow. This is freedom home. You are not free to come here and be constituting nuisance. That is one thing. Let me quickly go to the story. You are gone. You are gone. I already removed you. So you are gone. You'll be banned. Thank you. This network is really bad. Okay, my neighbor called me. When she called me, she told me that this boy want to go out and apologize. I said, okay, I don't want trouble. Little that I know, this boy now, so this network is really crazy. I apologize. I am surrounded by the sea. So I don't know if it is sea or not. As soon as I get to the mainland on the 20th, I will be in Bologna, mainland on the 20th. As soon as I get there, this issue is not over. So when my neighbor called me, she pleaded on his behalf. I don't even have network to broadcast. So why would I come online? Little that I know where this boy went ahead and bring what Benin called ehua. He brought it out and laid curse not only on his head, on his wife's head. I'm not going to, that ehua, I will not apply it to his children. The 2 children he has now, right now. His wife. So, not knowing that he brought ehua out and laid curse on his wife. Oh, now. Then he laid curse on his father, do yemera. He laid curse on his mother, do yemeye. Eme vanomeni ye kaseane. And this boy did not even know. Amaebio imete nobo ile nobo. Ane hwani obo hemila ohomila no wiyehi. Obi pakpera mehi. Obo mila no wiyehi. Amari hwari ne no yari ya. Erewe ola egbe. To start from. Wegi ni hwani la. Hwani ni me ya repent no salobwa. Me ma ekele hwani ye. Ori ekoriyomo. For you, ehwa nuwe ya fie ma go nu ya fi ko ego vitali. Now, ebi me reason no wa ya send the egume. Instead of that one to respond to you, she send it to me. Ehwa weni that ehwa weni. I am urging every People Freedom Movement member. From today, everyone you have gotten your Italian passport. You do not want the poor citizen to get. You or anyone that has stand on their way. Let me look who did this already. Let me quickly remove him. There's no time for nonsense over here. When you come here and constitute nuisance, you'll be out of here ASAP as soon as possible. I will throw your ass out of this platform, and it will be forever. I'm the one that just did this Reddit. I'm going to look for you right now. You're going to be out of here. Look at it. You think you can play with me? Now it's Osaze Jolly. Osaze Jolly, you are the one that Wamebo. Osaze Jolly, you will never bear fruit in your life. You the one that just pour red hair here. Now I'm going to block you now, idiot. You think you can come to Mega Combat, the Tiger and the Lion Combined platform and be constituting nuisance? I will remove you people one by one. Enemy of freedom. Every man, look at him. Ozwona no mama na read. Imatamu wa no de imanoma me baba bebo. Or you read no ma ga na dana. No read no one. You are out, block. Permanent. You are gone. That one is gone. One by one. So, this boy went ahead and bring out Ehwa. You remember months ago, when even Akobeyan did not bring out Ehwa, many people reacted that he brought out Ehwa against Aliyona one. This is the first time in the history. As me, as everybody, social media be having problem. It's culture problem. It has not get to the extent of bringing Ehwa or Suzumaye. This is the first time we do. No, we are Boala, and or no, the last. No, I am urging you to leave social media with immediate effect. Ehwa ni nuriela, area oba. O achie ogomba ehwa we nuriela dian. O gagele we nu tie ni we do nu ya gbe do. Wa ma uba we alemu ninu. Uwe gele riela no ye kwa ni gari ane uyari agesa agmowa uyari akpe agmowa uyari akwo agmowa ko honu were yo wo ye kwa ni ri agmowa so uyari ebe ba wo sonba awogun ba eri okin awase kwa ni we tie ni me ga tie kwa ni iri kwa la na ya yo asin wa man wa ma imari kwa la ya yo asin uwe nu gbere ime tono bo mele no bo sugbosun we na we uwe no hagerem do wa me wo gwa we he agbobo no pe nu eteje bo de wase etu gagbo ha bebi iro we rame agma woko ete ni wan kobo no pe nu no ri we la wo bo agma midi wo ana meme agma midi emi awudu ogbo emi awudu okin agbo we are on board we back the Tiger and the Lion. We are here. I don't know where phone. Our phone. You have crippled your life. Then we if you go and it has been winning. We what we have with the Ladian. Now Benin people. Since any maho back. Ewa ogiriga ya send your way no wage gidi ko go. When we since e kwani we me ya mu hori ania. Uwe he ya re kwa Ladian. No we are TNM on social media. Ehwa boy. Iwe kwa boy. Udo go gbegu, udo boy yo kan fere. Then we are here, we are akpe no wan yo na. Ehwe no wan ni ma aju e. And it we na. Because imaire ehwa dani obude. Ehwa me hori ko no. E Bible me muladian. We na we owo kan we na akpe yo e. Oh, how a stroke agbo came out very get away now. A mere stroke of our power. Or go away. If one, Ogun or Agbo. Where? If what except if one who might tear no, might tear no. Every affair ni tagwe. O wa ero no. Uga itie anybody ne. Me na se de rival yoba a governor me na ga governor. E bonu tie fe so be. Me we governor de uzemo popo. President of the poor, a president of your working. Why would he go? Kela me bon ari to say me gbe me to say. U tie bo me ma be dame. U ke tie bo na tine all member of People Freedom Movement. From today, this video, he went to share Ogbare camp, Ohore camp, when he are here, asen. Somebody gave me his name. Who is there? Gave me that boy name in Italy. If not my son, Comrenuti, I wouldn't have known. He was the one when I was listening to Comrenuti. I said, this boy brought it why? If Mama Bolona did not tell me that, he was only begging Palau. That's it. Somebody give me his name, please. Hurry up. I need his name. Let people know. So that all these boys that they have damaged their life because in a passport or when they can get me, a passport in the Agbe Yobo. Me I have a passport to it Agbe. If you didn't know yet. We want here. Oh, you're waiting. Mahama will face away. What is his name? Somebody give me Destiny. Give me his name. What is his name? Someone should give me his name. Give me that boy name. The one they said that brought that Efe Hibrat. God bless you. Efe Hibrat. Efe Hirate Iwe. Efuse. Ukiari Kiakedele Nakbao. Vedenu Yakbo Bobu. Edenu Yakbo Bobu. Obo Emila Rubi. Arahama wenu ye. Ekwani Yaria. Wama. Oreko. Minata mawe. Amahama wenu Yaria. Uwenu do siete bote waso wela. Diavi. U Italy. Eti bote waso ogboe. Ari ogono mo kan agboe. Kedele nakpa. Emi amegwe esusu wo ti gbo ewe. Emi amudu eni wan san ori gbagbo ewe. Mi aka werugbe wuwe ayi pape na ro from today Efe Hibrat ye koriomo ikelu warire aye. Ke wa no pere no pa obobo. Wa hama osugbosun ori ehwa ile no bo ti ton obo. Ilawa amaye bioi 1984-85 amaye bioi calculate since 1984-85 maybe you were not even born. Edibode was all boy bratefe edibode was all boy iwe kwati ebonu ahase very tired of yaje etieni wason agba woko gabo ha baby ehwa ninu re la dagari enu awonu ya gbobi wa amari enu eberio uweri aditali do ya rebe kawo e se trogifonia uwe he o se trofone wa re wa ati aboseki won ba se ko ga gbo bratefe ogbo we ogbota asomba no ba tie na we o ma no we ni egbiyan to level oba mi nana and a follower me ya fefe ni we tie bona enige ya wahin iya buwo uwe tie bona enige do uwe tie bona do we ma o ma na no we ready na we be yin we ni adu aye gbe ma o han wa ari gbe ma ma agwa akini gbe we wa ri yin iwa bo efe kun lele ogun gbo o wa ni pinye we na do ate me eke me ye we na do avere ready ye ma wa ma me this year na fire wa wari eyo ke e ari wa ye mare ime awa we we ya we hamu wa no ri eyo baba na no wo kan ana ma o yo pa wo ma no ye va wo ma ne wa me baba ya ha ye no na 3 o mo ne keke wiri ona yo na nya na ga mudia wa ri la nya ze ma mela dia e mata we a di ma we se ma we do awu katikati we ma network na we no ri la nya ari we baba na ori we la dia ma hewe so set wale fo so Efe na la di ona we yon ri ogbe paloma lo ma wo ba seki bene fe na e give ogwe ife to wulo ye Libya yama mi yere ma party now nike go ti oba seki go and pack Nigerians itie Buhari in Libya Efe na we kan gba kan o kan yan wo kan yo kiye ko wo kan o to pa wa fa ala uwu no ka gbe fe yo ka gbuwe no wo kan because We no high orientine, no ya nyime. Or no go to Marvin, Egbe Polo, O Toya here. Am I swing? I am urging everyone, the video Nasobo, or another model Wagboy or Ladian. This time around, he come with a Osusumaye that he's using to draw people wet. He used that to draw people wet. Anything he said, when he used that juju to touch you, you are finished. Anytime this boy used that juju to touch you, it's whatsoever allowed. We said it but the area Hamano. Efei have been a destroyer from time. A sunova hebero. I say why you get it gun or swallow them. Or we swallow them or swab way in an amigo. Because where men go to man obey via Kimia. He pay. Oh, setting yarn you out. And a rainy. A small boys in name about Benny Wari camp. Oh, why you find Bora Sona? Kedele Nakba, a Miamutu, or Kawak boy. Mametana. Wow, or a go wavane, a mevan winning, Avian or Chiwa, Yan Bawia, then where you Hualadia. This is the first time. No, we are doing Yari with social media. Do I tea, boy, what about it? We do not, no, now we own way to Ria. I will wear all back to boy human trafficking. Where we didn't know where who we have with Ladiana, we are doing why with your Ladian. Social media is meant for everyone to come out and express themselves. I am insulting the political corrupt leader. Where would they meet about the Governor Wike? Have you ever heard I insult Governor Wike or the Ekiti State Governor? Have you ever heard that? No. Have you ever heard I insulted the Prime Minister of Italy? No. No. But hence, you want to carry Obaseki debt. Obaseki ni osu efei. Brate fe yantie o mekele picture ga ajepan kwa kwale ni mwela dia wa be go hana nanya e ba ye ya ge ba wa ge profile the ogwale viewer e mistake you make na ge 14 people or watch 14 people na viewer dey look for see 14 people 14 see 14 people na dey watch am 14 he want viewer. Instead of to fight for the poor, no, don't give him red. I will remove you. Maybe you are just coming. Don't give him red. I will leave you because I know why you give that red. Don't give him. Instead, go and make audio. Brad Efehi. He's the new Ehua Juju carrier in Italy. Now he has destroyed Bologna. Efehi has completely destroyed Bologna. Now he has moved. He's coming to Bologna to work and go to London. He do not want anybody to get paper. Anytime he bring that juju out, your life will be miserable. How many women FAE have destroyed their life? If you know you have dated FAE, contact public relations officer of People Freedom Movement. Comrade Nuti Ibinigun. I will hand over your case to Nitu in social media. But for bringing that juju out for Edo indigene, I will report to the palace, number one. And I will report to the traditional rulers, the native doctors in Edo Kingdom. I will report to them. Let me tell you, do you know that? Do you know how many or bodan or besiza niwe ni area niwa or bohomela or big back there work in Waduna? Why why but make only we are ye bolo we cover me ma be jaji iwo we no ike me gwe ye kwa bo ha we o mu ba no nya kwa ni kwa bo no ne kwa gbe nhwe o ya mu no mana we wa na me na ye wa we ohon mu wa me the president of the poor, president of Ibiogwe we me kwa wo chile ra bi gwene una be chile follow am e viere ne be when I'm a bogbeya, anyone that is in the camp, tell Efei, Brat Efei, the insult he lay on People Freedom Movement member, the poor citizen, that insult, all those children that have died in Libya, he just collected his passport too. They just gave him passport. Tell him that his life, when he has only 2 children, and the only prayer I will pray for him, Yenga wune, we no mana come out to renounce with immediate effect. Yenga wo hana wubai, e money u se, ni vio bwe serve belibia. Ose boye. E dio kyaje, because o vio bwe hin, e mari oka, e mari ogede. O wo mama u yakpopo be here. Number 2, I heard my son were saying that you said you went to Uniben. I want you to publish your certificate from University of Benin, your graduation certificate. Tell us if you come out in what you come up with. I don't know whether first class or second class or whatever. Tell us what you studied. We want to see it all. And tell us, how did you come to Italy? Did you come to Italy with somebody's passport? So we have to let the Italian authority know. How did you come to Italy? How can you be giving terrorists a passport? You are a terrorist. You are one of those people that are using those women to be taking oath. That is why you have your AY, your juju in your possession. And it's on video. I hope you did not go and take that video down. I am telling you now, John Coker, go ahead and make sure you download that video for evidence. The video that he brought out, that Italian police, they know what is called juju. They know it what now. This brat, what is his name? Let me look for his name. Brat Efe Brat is one of the women cabal, juju cabal. You know what I'm saying? Eunice Eke, back to your father or who? Who did you say back to send that to? You better answer now before you get the hell out of this motherfucking place. Better answer now. You don't come here and be constituting nuisance here. Answer it. Answer it. Don't know why? It's sure that or that bueno. Go ahead when we big me over here. Ukbamare. Oh, Hanek me here when I me. Oh, you Hana. Me maybe watching the maybe. Imagine me if you are born. Ina wa sende lele ni ekume. Yan sende re ni ti gwane. Igige 14 na wono na we. Me go mete owe boy na no re do ge no wi ohana we. Ke picture yare ma. E picture yare ma ge. Owi ohan kere no we odafen ki rich man. You don't reach, you don't want make we reach. Then you want join the political corrupt leader to the beat us now. Abi? Now so now you don't reach. You don't want make we reach. As they don't, they give you money, you want join them beat us. I heard that one other person call on video. Agmonfionine. Where we test age me. Brake fe na ewe su police okewu. Where we say age me at all. Merie o money. Where we toss it, no we calling we say age okewu. Ubo han buwava. Oh, buwava. This is a sound warning to those evil people. Stay away from people freedom movement. Mind your business. Me ono me yameme. We are me una buvia de we baba say owo hano iri memeni iri eyu awo iri say iswe your hop boy iyen okagba your vana me na wa we anybody no warere me uwa han agugwane Benin people ehwe mu wa iru hu dani ware do we lo ba we ni dole to yin na we na pa una ari kwala do na amebo gbo no gbo ba dole wo me oba we na lele imi tamu we na nya ye na omo no ba ira me yin na lele igwe dole do yi yin na lele yo wa haya me owo e we na lele e bodu ku ti na nya ke follow me na nya ma me ra bi go you we ri e boni ogun ba po we ke gba we ri kwala dia we tiene ra bi we ne una be tiene follow me we unu ma no follow am we ma no follow me we I want to follow me we me bo gbori ko e pa ka bo asona we be rie we ke vie e hware odomo odu emu e wa babe ya ifun ya bo yeke we are yen kporu gbe kan we ko no o ye ko no o we si wuro ni gbe we are be hon iwe pa wo ware iwe pa we are ware hon imi kam we nanya kedele na pa a problem upon problem calamity upon calamity or lelu egbe ya era bi we ora Oragmo oremi ekiro oremi on lemi wiwa. Oragmo we no do mo kan una we no ka pa. We no we o hafere. Obo emila we na gba. We na go bi paperan ihon. We bo ha bo. Uga bo ha baby or you back boy we. Era no mejo ti we mu. Ewe ro to lokunu re gbe oru ha. Ewe ro ta. E to re gbe lo bi obo ogbo e. Olokunu e wo so ogbo e. Asigidi no bi obo ogbo e. Ewe ro ta. Owi ohani. So I am calling all Edo people that is on social media to call on this individual to come and tell you people why is bringing out juju, evil, why is bringing out evil on social media. If you want to damage Edo name after our father Obahewa Rugiriga have fixed Edo reputation, you are the first one to come out. You say you want to destroy it by bringing out this useless evil juju, Efei, Brad, completely malfunctioning. So I am urging you now. Ovie dohi. Uti manok bo bobo. O ahamea. O freedom. O subosu. O wa calling refu ya calling. The weakest one take bo. O ariegwa. Ekwani wa drop e wa we go ba. Uni vie do no yare ya uka utaladia. Oh fu no very e beginning wanahi. Velo vive tani who wami over the social media. All the people they was Mave we wa no. 7 days you know. 7 days if agba imana ho iture ni gbe na wo me. We be ge yo wa. Ye iture ni gbe 7 days na we gbe gba itie we si. Ye itie we so na we gbe gba itie go ebebo. Akeba ado hia. Then you maya fe no we tie bona all people freedom movement member. No rovie no aze or no way. No also or no way. No mommy water or no way. HIV have no way. Yeah, one no way babo. Because if you not can work can government in mama hewo. E ga yo bana mu no utamema. We no be o han here. We wa ladia. Kwani obi o han pa no gbegun awodo. Edu wo se na. O we gbegbo na. E body e wa mi we like that return back to sender no. Uwe me ba ma fi wo yo bo egbegbo. I am urging everybody in the camp, anyone that belong to People Freedom Movement, from this moment, release an audio. Lagos on Efei Bright from Bologna. Efei Bright, he has 2 children. Look for his wife's name. Lay curse upon curse, calamity upon calamity upon his wife, his father if he has father, his mother if he has his mother. He himself, leave his children alone. The 2 kids. Leave them alone. Lay cause calamity. Anyone that is hobbling a fairy, but a fairy no down. Or not that bad hair. Don't come. Where my Raya no see Kakobi say up by me. Amadasu, Ijabrata, Modo Wagba, Igba, Niati no Bekaliso, Noreva Oni, Modo Akmanane, wherever they go. Tony Kabaka, Akmawa Fion in the bio. A problem on my issue in Jesus' mighty name. A commissioner Wandu, where mammy a Ryan or Basion Mukwe. Are you more job when I did? Man, where a man where no how it pain winner, Wago Haiti be your Wuga. Wago Haiti be your half few boy you a lalo. Every attire, except Domaye or home with your men. Or I ye home, Vilimani Waka, Imari Wago de. Oh, my mama, oh, we'll go here. Imahamu wife, your bomuso. Ik be none of your women in the ye. Agualogo, Era Yeme, Yari, Iye Wokome. we migo na we ya ye Uniben me ye Uniben na mamigo ya we wa iwe wa ke mamigo ya resort iwe e na American na resort na American na school we migo ya jona we na wo akpopo bi ogwe the president of the four the tiger and the lion command we an gbonu pe kan e me la ta ibe mo ele e me ba mi no wa tin we ni awa pe ni we wa sun afan awa eyan kan awa pe ni we ku we ke 70 viewer no me wa now or say 200 ni the rest asen yan do yan asen ason ba asen wo meru na wo we ma me gbe no ya revie do le wo yan ri ala dia because ekigbo enena be bolona una arule u se London ma meti yan wona wa do anwen ni fabrica e me sure ofin abo e me sure kawa dia wo e munu ya nwen na chi so no o kawa ha oke wa ha tatanu si wale wala uwe ke owewe iriane e kwa ni ogbo odu egu ogbegu tu ogbo wo kan utu o kan agbo e ti bo je wa so kan agbo we e ti bo je wa so kan agbo veru mana mo egbe ni wayari ameyi ogwe to ze wana wo go wa ya ko ki ma hu ogo ya ko ku wa ku we ko baseke ogun ga gbo e po baseke ogun ga gbo e po baseke o baseke ka ju e kian o baseke ka devawa ogun gbo wa fa ko wa ke modo wa gbo ogun nwa iwa ya hu ba mi ta mo wa ogun o nwa iwa ya hu e kwa dan wa mo kan e kwa na yare ya wo e na ya go ba dole we kwa na aye wo ba kan aye ya se be dele wo so mana ya re fi ba no gun ba gbo pamphlet education where the certificate well at we ma dey school we ma dey school you are very primitive, you are not exposed, you are not educated, you cannot speak. What do you know about English? Nothing, absolutely nothing, zero, nada, rien, nothing. Come out and speak broken. Where this network is bad now. Wait until I come to the land. Then I will address people about this issue. Hence, you say you want to give Benin bad name. You are winning now. If you do, or if you do, first time, you might have me, you might equal to it. Not bad. If it what was why I call it why so why I do it one Iran go and ask Dr. Ogiamu Nobo. Our ye don't fear fit back with a wire gagagere, why has Italy, why do you have Rebecca? One wulu. Nijibody was a one and you monkey the war about the job. No do we run in war, why is it the Why what feeling go what contribute. A Bolora way here, we mammy man or refugee and about fear con the no fear con the you are not even afraid. You brought at a while, una mubera mubiwe. Umame bueno ham when I come you abo. Now ya car your name. Oh, where what vigor any people for no movement member. A fay bright, a share. Only a what bene member, a fay bright, you know. I fear I want anybody, a fay bright, you know. Where I give it return back to send that in a year. E me va no sabari me no ma wonu fi ale owo hawe na pe gegege ona pe gegege na sigidi no ki obo nware iwa wo han no gunisi de no gbo owe no gbo ota owo hawe na pe maju o ma wenu to le e wo pa e yare na ri passport na and the network is really bad. I will not be able to come online for a while, but if I said the network is good. But I am urging everyone to share this video. Share it until it gets to every children, every poor Nigerian children, African children, across the whole world. This Efehi need to be brought to justice. He and his wife are human traffickers. They have brought numbers of women and they cover up by walking. So I am urging every member of PFM to lay curse on Efeyi Bright, who have laid curse on every member of PFM. Either you are with us or you are against us. Either you are with the poor citizen or you are against the poor citizen. You cannot be both sides. You have to make a choice. Now that Efeyi Bright want to be for the rich, he should stay on their lane. Brothers and sisters, you can see this network is really, really bad. I want you to know, either you belong to PFM or you support the poor citizen. Together, we all will take back our country, take back our future, our destiny. Or you join the political corrupt leader, the political cabal, the political terrorists. Either choice. So, and secondly, for those that are criticizing America, nowhere, no Pama Mayuka. Pama Mayuka. Walk how America is like Nigeria. What dig yeke. What dig yeke. Yeke what dig yeke. Who can dig? What dig yeke. You know, we don't have time. We have to patakli one. We have to say, hey, what? My grandfather died at the age of almost 120 or 130 years. Am I 80? My grandmother now is 108 years. I was told it because my son Bameze. So that is it. I want the People Freedom Movement member to understand that I love you all. Please, if you have not gotten your ID card and you want to go to your ID card, this is the right time for you to order now. Because by next week, by the 20th, I'm in Italy. Then you know that I can just send it out. So not that when I leave, you'll be calling, I want to do ID card. I want to do this. No. For those that have paid for ID card, the ID card is ready. It's just for them. If you know your ID card is with Jennifer Sunday, call Jennifer Sunday. Then let her send you your ID card. Send her the money to mail it. Either it's with Jennifer Sunday or it's with Ambassador Blessing. So either one of those two. So it's with them. Or you can call your John. That Efeyi this thing. Make sure you put him in all of shame. All of shame. That is where he's going to belong to. So with his 17 viewer, very soon a mega company will make you famous in an ugly way. The same way I make Abetu famous in an ugly way. That is the same way. You want to be famous. When we are going to continue to so I love you guys, you know. I didn't intend to come here. I want to, Serena, my love. God bless you. In your way, man. Call, where's a ye? Ireland. As a while guy. So, yeah, like I know we want. Yeah, team, you will fay acting out there. A PFN yard, Ubefay. Or you while the other. Agmogano, Usugano, or Mubogano, or Muwegano. Ewan Babegano. Economo gano, no mano gano. Sukma akuna kwiri unwe oya mwe. Efeyi Bright unwe uaya mwe mama no mama. Wentara akpopo weni amweri owa. Enyo. Unwe uhaya mwe ya no mama. Obi oka no gbegwa wodo. Vela azen nekere no we na. No he no ma say be kana do atin lega won wa ma. No he if egbo na egbe na mwe. Egbe na ha mwe. Egbe na ha mo bi oka kere gbo kan gbo. Bo do go gbo do ga gbo fe do yo ga gbo do ga gbo to gbo wa we yori do go gbo uni pe de si January uro ye ne imaze yo e we gbe we una be mo no ya ka we ahwe alade we bladia no we baba la wo forgive me e bonite do tie meri wo there meri wo there me ha mu we ma bo ba se ke gu a nezo ni e pezo yo egbe Meham won't pass a care and I go bow. Waiva, Uagualefe, Ogun, one you have, while cross the wild baby boa, Ogun, few wiver, every water. I'm a menon and merobua, PFN robua, Uahan Leru, Uahan de Bavano Bowman, the Bob Pecunilu, Wag Bewagmo. When my men no other bear or patient true, native doctor. Shetro native doctor. When my men here will look up by Vitali. Etorino igba we ma wi awe mi no gbe ni opa we mu ne o ka ajo wa do mo mela already mo mela na ha me na we lare emi pa pe na no ya do na wa mi ru gwa lowo owe he Oriso wari ari back na vela when I allow or yari ma o we la lawe. I know me. Imaveti ya money when no man wa me no me have it with him. Oh where we are hanging well laja where e kwa la. E kwa wo to se do. Udigbe o hana age we elu ya he be carry no muno me ego. Anybody that have paid a fair bright money call people freedom movement public relation officer. Anyone that he have done to you for, call him. Anyone, if you know Brad FA, call people freedom movement. A passport in our be or me one. Where the other one is who America, if not America, I won't be what I am today. How many of you people are a jailer there? How many of you nothing? That is what I am. I'm proud of it. A jailer. I will put you behind bars. That is what I know how to do. A primary school I am on my behind bar. No, I do work and yes, you are boy. When we fabrica very maybe your master may a test story to when we are doing drill. We are now what we do. Why no make no go back to the do while a social media na wa lawa if a bouquet fekun le luwa enter house many people I just dey tell you now if you know say na destruction you want take and do either you take and help people in the camp take and help people in Germany. Now the people in Germany they are calling me every day. They are calling me now. They are calling Epa come Epa help is needed. Help. Eri ma gbe Italy, eri ma gbe Europe when I save my passport. Egeri me ya le Europe gbera 20 something years ago. Wa mi ma gbon. Yan ziwa bo yo egbe. Wa gbe wa mo gbo ha gbo e. E kan di e wa akin. E me la ta e kan di e me na ya o gbe ma gbe akin e gba. Awo to awe gbe ri o kinu kan ho yo hun. O pe agbo wa mi ma gbon. Kuwe ko hani ede no alo ye ko han ede e boya fefe no tie kin aso egbe o han le ba no amena ya tie bonu efe yi iga poro no supo we imaka gbo egbon amaso ni wede ebe ya fefe no ofo egbe imaporo no supo we imaka gbo egbon o kesun anan o kesun atie bo me kekeke no ya nwa me pere mo na e bonu tie o le lo e ti de boje wa se wa nwa no kin yu egbe e fe iro kan ya me ya mo bogbo e ma ya kemi kin ni dan wa ki ho ya fe do ire PFN ne wa nri wa o ta wa re we no da fun wa ha mo wa ba ban e bo ne e fe iye wa ya ti ni PFN wa mo e bogbe wa mo gbe yan o han wa mo gbe o no ko gbe ran wa mo gbe o ko no wa no yu me ku e yo hun e fe brat wa mo bogbe wa mu gbe nu won ba se ki gbe won Kaberu gbe won Buhari gbe won wo ke Buhari gbo han won APC ogbera won APC ogbiwe APC ga you but if APC have actually done good in Nigeria, if Nigeria are not in trouble, everything go free. Nigerians are in trouble in a Buhari hand and yet you are coming out to defend them. Calamity upon calamity will never far away from your house. If actually there is peace in Nigeria, Buhari is not oppressing anybody. Anything you say will go fair with you. Or let me tell you, if the better for you to uwaladia ehwanu ya drop we guaba that ehwa wa ariela very soon 7 days in 7 days in agba itobo meju wan regwa metubi me ogun wan regwa igwoba dole do yo buy wa winana. I'm working for the palace in Metana. The tiger and the lion egwa wa winana. He wa winana. Very we ba se ki we are winana na won ba se ki ogbo e. Won ba se ki ogbo we ogbo uta ogbo wa ye yore. Weta ma we. Again no ba se ki e mo no bi le yan since we support her. Vela ma mi mo we ke ba se ki. Do we no we agere yo support her. We are going to be PFN. We are going to be PFN. Ya ye mere we. Ama we. Nek buyena. When the baka amun already, when the place is logon already. We. I went to Maka Bama, Wawo, Ibema Ayawe. Ayawe, we Ayawe, Waviori. Kuweko, Equa, Benari, Uwe Dova, Meregua. Uwe Dova, me. I've been also my work. Uwe Dova, me, Wayamu, Botomi. No, table. We make a hammer of Basaki Bobo. No, I did Babasaki. Do I bet anybody was it? Anybody was all my own. Each ton of boating in a boat. Will recommend a Robert Echo. What are your horror? Where are we on Macarena? Where? When me there, when I didn't even So, brothers and sisters, let me quickly go. This is Mega Comrade. As you all know, I told everyone this year is going to be fire for fire. There's no holds back. If you call Yahweh, you go get Yahweh. My prayer every day and every night is for the innocent citizen to have a little bit opportunity, to be able to grow, to be able to do what our political leaders have not allowed us to do. I heard that now a lot of youngsters, they are creating a political party. I heard that kind of one call even want to have a political party. This is what the Mega Comrade have called for. And people are yielding to my call. And I want to congratulate all People Freedom Movement members. But the mistake that we, the young or the youth, are making right now, instead of all to work together with collective effort, Charlie Boy is there, Momo don't do. Instead of them to support him, but they want to create their own platform. And when you scattered, together we stand. America is not only called United States of America. There is a reason why they call it United States of America. Together we are stronger. You know, if you are in Africa and you are in anywhere, you are in Nigeria, most especially Nigeria, as the leaders, the bad leader, the old cargos said that we the youth cannot do what they are doing. We should tell them that we should put them in retirement. So we all have to work together. Work together in order to retire all this Buhari phobia, gang, Tinubu phobia, Erufa phobia, Obaseki phobia. You know what I'm saying? Okorocha phobia. You can imagine how many jets, private jets are in Nigeria, while some other Nigerians are languishing in Libya right now. They cannot move forward. They cannot move backward. Who is talking about those Edo citizens, Nigerian citizens, Gambians, Senegalese, Burkinabe, Cameroonians, Ghanaians that are in Libya today? Nobody. 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 You know what I'm saying? So I am urging anyone, if you want to register a political party, don't do it. PDP and APC, they are the same. They are the same. Let me tell you, I want to guarantee you something. If PDP do not, if they did not listen to the people's voice, most especially People Freedom Movement, we will add them to join APC. They are all birds of the same feathers. We will tell Dan Obi that Edo State will not be enough for PDP to even come out at all. We will do the work of APC for them. So if PDP do not, if they refuse to give the young children of PDP opportunity, if Danobi continue to grab his hand on power, thank God people have seen me praising Danobi. They saw me praising him. I believe I will water. You not get enemy. If there is truth, I will just say it. People have seen me praising, raining praises on Dan Obi. But if Dan Obi refuse to carry this youth along, Dan Obi will not even have evil people that he will. And the network is really bad. So message to Edo people, to Nigerian citizens, and across the globe, Mega Comrade remain your humble president of the poor. I am the president of the poor. Commander-in-chief of the defenseless and the voiceless. Itato vero ni gualo. Itato vio buena ni wamena, osalubwa, or ye wede men. a time will come when God will hear our prayer. And I know by the power of God, one day we all will reap the fruit of our labor. So, brothers and sisters, I gotta go. Serena, God bless you. I gotta go. And if you know this Efeyi bride, we want to know what community it came from, so that we can send people from Uawosomba to his family. We want to know, so that we can lay complaint.